Welcome to Bestsellers Market. We're thrilled to have you here today as we dive into the world of top-tier paper and cardstock products. Whether you're an artist, a student, or a professional, we've got something amazing in store for you. Today, we're counting down the best-selling paper and cardstock products on Amazon, curated just for you. Without further ado, let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Neenah Index Cardstock, a versatile and indispensable choice for all your paper needs. This isn't just any cardstock, it's a powerhouse of quality and performance. Imagine a pristine canvas ready to bring your ideas to life. The smooth texture and striking bright white color ensure your images and prints are nothing short of stunning, creating a high-resolution output that demands attention. Now let's talk specifics. This cardstock is 90 pounds index weight, a distinction that might seem minor but makes a world of difference. It strikes the perfect balance, heavier than 67 pounds Bristol, but lighter than 65 pounds cover cardstock. Whether you're crafting professional documents or working on creative projects, this paper provides the right heft without being cumbersome. Need a lot of it? No problem. Each pack contains a generous 300 sheets of 8.5 inches x 11 inches cardstock. You'll never have to worry about running out in the middle of a project. It's perfect for everyday use, whether you're printing documents, designing eye-catching flyers, or indulging in a bit of calligraphy and hand lettering. This cardstock handles it all with finesse. Printer compatibility? Absolutely. This cardstock works seamlessly with both inkjet and laser printers, delivering jam-free performance every time. Plus, it's linen and acid-free, ensuring your prints stay vibrant and crisp for years to come. No yellowing, no fading, just lasting quality. The universal uses of Neenah Index Cardstock are astounding. From making text pop to enhancing the sharpness of photos and graphics, this cardstock does it all. Pair it with other Neenah products or mix it with Astrobrights color paper for an explosion of color and impact that's sure to leave a lasting impression. In short, the Neenah Index Cardstock isn't just paper, it's the foundation of creativity and professionalism. Dive into a world where your projects aren't just seen, they're remembered. In the 4th spot of our countdown, we present to you the Neenah Creative Collection Classic Specialty Cardstock Starter Kit. This isn't just cardstock, it's a gateway to endless creative possibilities. Envision a world where every project bursts with color and precision. With an assortment of 72 sheets, you'll find the perfect shade for every need. Let's delve into the colors, shall we? Imagine having 4 sheets each of royal blue, colonial blue, lilac, Concord grape, wisteria, bubblegum, Old Town red, re-entry red, orbit orange, galaxy gold, goldenrod, Martian green, gamma green, craft, natural clove white, and eclipse black. Each hue brings its own flair, transforming ordinary projects into extraordinary works of art. What sets this cardstock apart? It's not just the colors, but the quality. This cardstock scores and folds with ease, allowing you to create crisp, clean lines. Cutting it is a dream, producing smooth edges every time. Whether you're crafting intricate designs or bold statements, this cardstock handles it all without a hitch. Durability is key. The Neenah Creative Collection Classic Specialty Cardstock is acid and lignin-free, ensuring that your creations remain vibrant and intact over time. No fading, no yellowing, just enduring brilliance that stands the test of time. Versatility is the name of the game here. From crafting cards and invitations to scrapbooking and beyond, this cardstock is your reliable companion. The variety in color and the robustness of the paper provide a solid foundation for any project you can imagine. In essence, the Neenah Creative Collection Classic Specialty Cardstock Starter Kit isn't just a product, it's an invitation to create, to explore, and to bring your visions to life. Let your creativity run wild with this versatile, high-quality cardstock that promises to elevate every project you undertake. Securing the 3rd spot in our countdown is the Neenah White Index Paper, a true staple for any office or crafting enthusiast. This isn't just any paper, it's the embodiment of quality and versatility. Imagine a sheet that's sturdy yet flexible, perfect for a wide range of applications. At 110 pounds, this index cardstock is a heavyweight champion, outclassing the standard 65 pounds. Cardstock, but still maintaining a manageable heft compared to 80 pounds. Cover stock. It strikes the perfect balance, providing robust results without the bulkiness. And remember, 110 pounds. Index cardstock is different from 110 pounds. Cover stock? It's measured in a unique way that enhances its versatility. This pack is an online exclusive, offering more sheets than ever before. 300 sheets of pristine 8.5 inches x 11 inches white index cardstock. Think about that for a moment. More sheets mean more possibilities. Ideal for everything from everyday documents to eye-catching flyers and brochures, this paper delivers stunning results every time. The texture is our smoothest yet, providing a canvas that's perfect for calligraphy, hand lettering, and intricate crafting. Your projects will not only look professional, but feel exceptional too. When it comes to print performance, Neenah doesn't cut corners. Expect crisp, high-color reproduction with jam-free results. Whether you're using a copier, an inkjet, or a laser printer, this cardstock handles it all with ease. Plus, it's lignin and acid-free, ensuring your prints remain vibrant and won't yellow over time. Versatility is key. Mix and match with other Neenah products or pair it with Astrobrights color paper for a bold, vibrant impact. The Neenah White Index paper is not just paper. It's a powerhouse of potential, ready to elevate your projects to new heights. So get ready to unleash your creativity with this indispensable addition to your paper arsenal. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling paper and cardstock on Amazon? Well, don't just paper over it. Be sure to card yourself into the club by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a sheet of our top picks. Taking the number 2 spot in our countdown is the Neenah Premium Cardstock, a product that truly exemplifies excellence in paper quality and versatility. This isn't just any cardstock, it's the premium choice for anyone looking to elevate their projects. First, let's talk about the brightness. With a dazzling 96 brightness rating, this cardstock ensures that every print pops with vivid clarity. Imagine the crisp whites, the vibrant colors, and the sharp details that will make your documents and crafts stand out. But there's more. This cardstock is guaranteed to work seamlessly with inkjet printers, laser printers, and copiers. No more worrying about compatibility issues or jammed machines, just smooth, hassle-free printing every time. Weighing in at 65 pounds, or 176 GSM, this cardstock strikes the perfect balance between durability and flexibility. It's sturdy enough for professional presentations and resilient enough for intricate crafting. You'll find that it's perfect for everything from business cards to greeting cards, from flyers to scrapbooking. Acid and lignin-free, this cardstock ensures your creations are built to last. No yellowing, no deteriorating, just long-lasting brilliance that preserves the integrity of your work. With 250 sheets in each pack, you have ample supply for all your creative endeavors. Whether you're running a business, managing an office, or indulging in a hobby, Neenah Premium Cardstock is your reliable partner in producing high-quality, professional-grade projects. In essence, the Neenah Premium Cardstock is more than just paper. It's a canvas for your creativity, a foundation for your professional documents, and a testament to enduring quality. Prepare to be amazed by what you can achieve with this exceptional cardstock in your arsenal. And now, taking the coveted number 1 spot in our countdown of the best-selling paper and cardstock on Amazon, we present the Astrobrights Neenah Bright White Cardstock. This isn't just cardstock, it's a game-changer, a staple for every office, and a treasure for every crafter. Picture this, a smooth finish that guarantees superior printing results every single time. Whether you're using an inkjet printer, laser printer, copier, or even an offset printer, this cardstock delivers perfection. No more smudges, no more jams, just pristine, professional quality prints that make a statement. Weighing in at 65 pounds or 176 GSM, this cardstock offers the ideal balance of sturdiness and flexibility. It's robust enough for creating professional documents, yet pliable enough for intricate crafting projects. From business presentations to handmade greeting cards, this cardstock does it all with unparalleled finesse. What's more, this cardstock is acid and lignin-free. That means your projects are built to last, free from the yellowing and deterioration that can plague lesser quality papers. Your prints will stay vibrant, your documents will remain crisp, and your creations will stand the test of time. Each pack comes with 75 sheets of 8.5 inches x 11 inches white cardstock. That's 75 opportunities to impress, to create, to bring your ideas to life. Whether you're printing important documents, designing stunning flyers, or crafting heartfelt cards, this cardstock provides the perfect canvas. Astrobrights Neenah Bright White Cardstock isn't just the top choice. It's the ultimate choice for anyone who demands the best in paper quality and performance. Elevate your projects, impress your audience, and enjoy the satisfaction of using the #1 best-selling cardstock on Amazon. This is more than just paper. It's the foundation of excellence, ready to support your every creative and professional endeavor. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling paper and cardstock on Amazon. To stay up to date with all the bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.